Welcome to the first video in my three-part video series, How to Pack for a Trip. And this video is about choosing what to take. The first thing to do if you're flying is to check the airline's baggage policy and then make sure you stay within your allowance. Don't get hit with extra charges. A really important piece of preparation to set you up for every trip is to create a packing master list, which you can then use to create a specific list for each trip. Start your list for a specific trip at least a week before you go and amend it as things occur to you. That gives you time both to remember to take things and to buy things if you need to. Here are a few pointers to help you choose what clothes to take. Number one, check the weather forecast for where you're going. Try to remember what clothes you wear at home when the weather's the way it's going to be while you're away. Number two, think about what you're going to be doing, what activities you're going to be engaging in. Number three, take clothes you feel comfortable in. Aside from weather differences, if you don't wear it at home, will you want to wear it while you're away? Choose clothing that doesn't crease. Who wants to iron on holiday? And no matter how well you pack, clothes that crease easily are unlikely to come out of your case as smooth as they went in. Don't take clothes that tend to need washing after every wear. And of course, minimise what you take because you want to haul as little as possible. Don't pack more outfits than you need so you've got a choice while you're away. Make the decisions now. Choose clothes that go together so that you can mix and match tops and bottoms. I'm a bit matchy-matchy, I like my clothes to coordinate. So when I travel, I limit myself to one or two colours so that I can combine separates in different ways. Choose items that can serve more than one purpose, like a sarong, a light jacket that's both smart and waterproof, or waterproof trainers that work both around town and on a hike. Once you've decided what you're taking, review it and see if you can reduce it. Except underwear. It's always good to take a few spare. And it's not heavy, and don't forget to ensure you've packed underwear that works with all your outfits. For longer trips, try to book accommodation with laundry facilities so that you can wash as you go. Take as few pairs of footwear as possible because they're heavy and bulky, but of course make sure you take all the different types you're going to need. Comfortable shoes for walking about, glamorous ones if you're hitting the town, footwear for any specific activities you'll be doing. I travel frequently, so I keep a travel toiletries bag ready packed. I still check it before each trip to make sure there's enough of everything in it and take out anything that I don't need, but it does save me a lot of time. To keep the weight down, I take small containers of lotions, etc. You might like to assemble a set of small bottles to transfer stuff into for travelling. Make sure you label them though. You think you'll remember what's in them, but if you unload them after a trip and stash them in a cupboard, you'll probably have forgotten by the time you pull them out again. Take cards that you won't need while you're away out of your purse or wallet. Not only is it pointless taking things you won't use, but tourists and travellers are often targeted by pickpockets and muggers, so have as little with you as possible. Alright, those are some tips on choosing what to pack. Share yours in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for the second video in the series, How to Actually Pack Your Case. Like this video and share it. Thank you.